Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn British English Free, the YouTube channel and the British English page on Facebook. My name is Chris, I'm the English teacher here. The lesson today is about politics, I'm afraid, again, because we have a new general election. It's coming soon on Thursday the 12th of December 2019. We have had many in recent years and I've talked about them before, but this one is important again and there are many things to discuss, so I want to tell you about it. It's a really important thing in the UK. I guess many of you will be interested. In the UK we have a parliamentary democracy, and by the way, please choose captions or English subtitles to read if you need them. Also, I've written some text. Look at the notes on YouTube or Facebook, you can read more about it. Parliamentary democracy means we choose a Prime Minister, but we don't vote for that Prime Minister. We vote for the politician in each area. The area is called a constituency. I live in Cambridge in England, so I vote for the Member of Parliament, the MP, the politician that I want in charge in my constituency. The party, the political group which gets the most MPs, will be the winner. So there are 650 constituencies. For a party to be the government by itself, it needs more than half. It needs at least 326. If the biggest party does not have that many, they have to make an agreement with another party to be the government together. A hung parliament, we call that. The big political parties this time, one is called Labour. They use the red colour. Their leader is Jeremy Corbyn. The Conservative Party, the current government, use blue. Their leader is Boris Johnson. He's the Prime Minister right now. So if Labour get the most MPs, Jeremy Corbyn will be the Prime Minister. And if the Conservatives win again, Boris Johnson will continue. The Liberal Democrats are another party. Their leader is a woman called Jo Swinson. In Scotland, there is a very powerful party called the SNP. Their leader is a woman called Nicola Sturgeon, but they are only active in Scotland. Some other parties around the UK are the Green Party, who are interested in the environment, the Brexit Party, who are interested in Brexit, Plaid Cymru, they are a Welsh party, they are only active in Wales, and there are some other parties specific to Northern Ireland as well. The UK has devolved states, so you know that in the UK there's England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. Each nation has its own thing going on, but there is a central government run out of Westminster in England, a source of great controversy. That will continue for the time being. What are the important themes for this election? Of course, the most important is Brexit. Brexit means Britain exiting the EU, the European Union. Britain exit Brexit. Maybe you've heard about it already. The main reason for this election is that politicians can't agree what to do about Brexit, so they want the public to choose one party to do something. Another important topic is the NHS. It's called the National Health Service. In the UK, many hospitals are part of this. If we go to hospital, to one of the NHS hospitals, the treatment is technically free, as in we don't have to pay for it there. The NHS is always an important topic. Immigration, yes, it always comes up. Homelessness and poverty. In the UK we have a big problem. Many people are homeless, or many people are in poverty. It's getting worse and worse. Lots of people are angry about it. Many people want to choose the party that will make this better. The infrastructure is a problem too. We have problems with our roads, our railways, and the speed of our internet. Our broadband is not the best. Scottish independence is also important. Scotland, most people in Scotland want to remain in the EU, so if the UK does eventually leave, then they may try to become independent from the UK once more. This is a very important ongoing theme as well. That concludes my discussion of the 2019 general election. We will vote on Thursday the 12th of December. We will know the result on Friday the 13th. So that will be an interesting day. Please write your comments. What do you think? Who would you vote for? What will happen? How is this lesson? All those things are interesting. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe on YouTube. The channel is Learn British English Free. Please join us on Facebook on the British English page and in the Learn English Free public group. The website is www.learnbritishenglish.co.uk. We also have sites on Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr, and some more. My name is Chris. I thank you once more for watching. I'll be back before Christmas with another lesson, so I'll see you then. Thank you. Take care.